first. So Anish came up with the concept of a green button. It was based on Blue Button in Health IT, which also gives access to records of veterans through the Veterans Administration and also Health and Human Services. But basically the concept is that if a consumer then goes to their website of their utility, so they're already in a secure relationship with their utility, they go to that website, they're viewing reports such as the great stuff that's done by Opower and others where you're visualizing the aspects of your energy usage. But can they take something home from that that's theirs? I mean, that data is quite useful. Let's put it in their hands and then give them the opportunity to control it and use it. So the idea was to put a green button at on the website that clearly indicated, this is where you can go to click on this and download my data. And what we wanted to do was make sure that that data download was of maximal usefulness to both the consumer and also the third parties that they may wish to send the data to, that they can choose to do under their own direction. With this construct, we put a lot of work into the energy standards data standardization on the energy consumption side. Building on that good effort, we were able to put in place a file format that's based on XML. So basically, it's a way that web app developers can uptake that data. So instead of it just being like a flat file or some details, it's a structured data file that is of maximal usefulness to the ecosystem. But at the same time, we wanted to make it consumer readable. So we did a little bit of web engineering such that a consumer could double click on it and see their energy uses presented in a simple web page. So, but with that combination, the ability to embed the XML, some details into it, that they can then send it to a third party, they can get maximal usefulness of this data. So the kinds of things that this might be used